Good morning, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine.
We are having class after 2 days, huh? Thursday we don't have any class, and Wednesday I was not in online classes. Okay?
I think, ma'am, you are in school.
Yes, I was in school. That is what I'm saying. We are having a class after 2 days.
And because the classes are also, you know, in schools.
Better classes 6 onwards are taking place offline and online mode both.
Yes, ma'am.
Up till
So,
class
ma'am, today
5.
also, from today also, the all the periods will be arrangement.
Oh, let's see. Like my period, it is not an arrangement period. I am here. A few more teachers are here, so they'll go smoothly, like how they go. Some of them,
I'm in my neighborhood.
there'll be arrangements. Okay, so children, I think I should begin with the attendance, right? Help me out to mark attendance of these days, 2 days. What is the date today?
Ma'am,
20.
24.
24th. 24th is a Friday, right? Friday, then Thursday and Wednesday. Okay. All of you first let me know who all were present on Wednesday. Arush Chaudhary was present on Wednesday. Anyone remembers?
No, ma'am.
All of you were present on Wednesday all these days. First, let me mark you present.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
All right. So that is,
Yes, ma'am.
I have Athar Singh right now. Then I have Dhruv Singh right now. Rishabh. Who is Anshika Verma?
And Devansh.
Devansh Verma. Okay, Rishabh, Shirsh. Okay, Pratyaksh Rathi was there because he is also very regular.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma'am, but he is not in some classes like after. Yes, ma'am, he was late in the last classes and sometime he did not attend.
Okay. Zoya, beta, you were present on Wednesday and Thursday? Zoya Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I am also present, Devansh Verma.
You were also present. Okay, fine. I have marked all of you present. Now, what we are going to do, children? I'll be sharing the screen. Okay, listen. I told you to get a world map, a world physical map. Have you all got it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So for tomorrow, everyone has to bring world physical map. Other two sections have done this map work. You people are left.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, positively, today everyone will go to buy maps. And what all maps you will get? Please buy 2 to 3 maps each. World physical map, India political map, India physical map. Okay, buy 3 maps each. You'll buy.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, in my third class set list, there is some maps. I
But
am
those who
checking.
have, it is fine. Those who don't have, those who specially go to buy, so don't just buy one map. Buy three maps each. India political 3 maps, India physical 3 maps, world physical 3 maps. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. There's a yes, ma'am. There's a continent map also.
Yes, but we don't need that. All right, Araf Solanki has joined. Who is Shamim Akhtar?
Ma'am, political, physical. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's Samya. Harsh Patel, Araf Solanki. Beta, you were present on Wednesday and Thursday. Today it's Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you
Yes,
were present. Okay, beta. Araf Solanki and Harsh Patel. Okay, children, now everyone take out your SST copies. We have 2 periods together.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The next is CT.
Next is CT. So I think let's play a game right now. And in the next lecture, we are going to do worksheet. Okay, let's have some fun now.
Yes, ma'am. Starting is fun.
Yes, starting our day with a little fun. Good. So what is that fun about? Anyone wants to share any interesting experience, recent experience about anything at your home or maybe in your playground? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can I tell
Yes, tell.
me how
Rishabh, beta, your signal.
ma'am is experience? Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell about my friend?
Beta, wait.
that
First, let Rishabh try and then you'll tell. Okay. Yes, Rishabh,
I'm-
wait one more time.
ma'am, can I speak for my friend's school?
Can I
Ma'am,
speak from what?
Ma'am, can I speak on? Ma'am, can I speak on? Can I speak that how we play?
Beta, I am talking about real experience. Anyone wants to share a funny incident or something really interesting that you have experienced? I'm just talking about something actually in real that has happened with you. I'm not telling you to speak a few lines on any topic.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are just doing a little fun time. We are having a fun time by sharing experiences, our fun experiences, if we have had any in the recent times. Okay, Shirsh is raising hand. Shirsh, tell.
Ma'am, yesterday my sister threw my friend's cycle and he was saying that I will throw your cycle. So, ma'am, when I was statue, we were playing statue.
Okay.
3 claps. We have 2 statue. So I was statue
Yes.
and he was Dana. So he throw my cycle. He think that I will move and get up my cycle, but I don't move.
Okay. So cute. So funny, huh? Nice. And anyone else? You want to experience something about your younger sister, brother, younger siblings, or your elder siblings? Anything?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday my sister kick on my head.
Oh my God. How small is she?
I'm 4 years older, younger than me.
Okay. But what is her age?
I think 4.
You're 8 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So she kicked on your head like that only, just for fun.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. No one else has any experience to share about younger siblings or anything at home about your parents or anything that has happened? Huh?
And my sister just shout very well.
Your sister?
Shouts very well.
Very well. How can anyone shout well?
No, ma'am, her voice is very loud.
Okay. Very loud. All right.
And ma'am, she is very
She's
fearful.
fearful. Yes. Little children are.
No, ma'am, when we go to sleep, I just turn off the lights and then I scare her.
Oh, oh.
She was
So you also
shouting.
do bad to her.
No, ma'am. First she do, then I do.
That is why you get a kick on your head by her. Hmm?
No, ma'am. First she kick on my head, then I spoke her.
All right. Okay, children, now I think no one else is speaking. So let me share a screen with you. Should I do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'll give you a very interesting thing to solve. Let me see who all can solve it. Yes, solve. Pratyaksha Singh, solve. Can you solve? Or we have already done this?
Ma'am, we have done this.
Ma'am, we will do.
Yes, ma'am, we have done this.
We have done.
Ma'am, we
Okay, no,
will done this.
I'll give you some other thing to do then. This one. We have not done this one.
Yes, ma'am, we have done also this.
We have,
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am,
also
we have
done.
done. Ma'am, we have done.
we have done this also. Okay, we have not done this now. Map of India.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do one thing. Take out your books and in the end of your book, you have India political map. In your books, on the last page, just check last or the last second.
Ma'am, SST book.
Yes, beta, in your SST book, last second page is about these maps only. 2 maps are made.
No, ma'am, I have world physical and political.
Very nice, very good. Those who have a map can do in a map, in a separate map. Those
No,
who,
ma'am, it's a ma'am, but it is small.
all right. See on page number 143, 144, there is this India political map given.
Ma'am, this is Indian political.
This is, yes, Rishabh writes, this is India political map.
Ma'am, page number.
Political and physical both maps are given.
So beta, you have to use political map because when we mark states of the country, we need a political map. Okay?
Where's the
Ma'am.
political map?
Ma'am, this one.
Yes, beta, this one. Samya, this one only, the one you are showing. What is the page number, Samya?
Ma'am, 142.
142.
Then I found it.
Yes, found it. Now see what I have done. I have marked, first of all, I have marked all the states. And then I have also marked the neighboring countries. Just have a look.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
Yes, you have to do this. Yes, beta. You also have to mark these neighboring countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan.
Ma'am,
China.
form of pen.
Yes, you have to take a black pointed pen.
I have my black pen.
And everybody, please be very careful to write it in bold letters. Nobody will use running handwriting small letters. Okay? When we write on a map, we write in capital letters and write it very neatly. Don't use pencil.
this one?
Yes, beta. Yes.
What is written? Jammu and
J
क्या
and
है?
K. J and K. Jammu and Kashmir. But in your books, this state is divided. See, there are 2 parts in this state. So the upper part is Ladakh. Okay, the diagonal part, slanting thing you can see there. That
No,
Upper
Ma'am,
part.
can I write with the blue pen?
Yes, better write with blue pen if you don't have a black pen.
Ma'am, I do not have any pens.
You don't have any pen. How can that be possible?
Ma'am, I have pencil.
But ma'am, our map is different.
Yes, beta, that is
Ma'am?
what I'm saying. Your
Yes,
map,
ma'am. Where?
Jammu and Kashmir. See, Shish, bring it closer. Bring it closer to the camera. Let me pin you.
Ma'am, can I use the black sketch color?
Okay, listen. Shirsh is showing his map. There is a diagonal part made. In my map, Jammu and Kashmir was not made. Oh, sorry, this diagonal division was not done. I'll do it on my map and show you how it is done, what I'm saying. See children, here, this is in your books, it has been divided like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this part, the part where my pencil is right now, it is,
Ladakh.
no, it is Jammu and Kashmir. This part is Jammu and Kashmir. I'm writing J over here. Okay. And this part
Excuse me,
is,
ma'am.
wait, beta, wait. This part is Ladakh.
Jammu and Kashmir is very small.
Let me just again confirm. Yes, beta,
And-
ask your question.
And then
And ma'am, above them there is more drawings.
Above
Excuse
them,
me, what is
there are
that?
four drawings.
Above it.
ma'am,
Yes.
No, just leave that, Shish. This is not a part of India. You have to leave it.
ma'am, this one.
So ma'am,
Yes,
first
beta.
we label it. So ma'am, first we label it or just color it.
First, all of you just color it with pencil colors and then you can write over it. Okay? Everyone,
But it is very difficult.
why it is
Color.
difficult?
And because it takes very much time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, in our maps, there's no boundary for waters.
No problem.
See.
No problem, children. But if it is going to take time, then also what is the issue? What you have to do? You have 2 periods to do this work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see this.
Yes, beta. What?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, this.
Ma'am, which color was the?
This part is not made, ma'am.
No problem, beta. Shish, no problem.
Ma'am, I have to use this map.
The map on page number 142. You have to use that. Now see everyone, I have divided like how it is divided in the book. The upper part is Ladakh and the lower part in this state is Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, now who is asking, ma'am, what is written? Where, beta, what is written?
Ma'am, am I asking this? Which color was done in Jammu and Kashmir?
Yellow, yellow on the top. You can use colors of your choice. I'm saying,
Ma'am, this one.
bring it closer, Athar, to the camera. Yes, this is India political map. See, you can see the division of all states, right? Do it, beta. Start doing, everyone. First, color your states with pencil colors, then write over it. I'm sending you the map on class group also so that you can do it very clearly. If you want to zoom it, you can zoom it
So,
according
ma'am.
to your own this thing, convenience. Yes.
So ma'am, we have to color Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir in same color.
No, beta, you can do it different.
So ma'am, we have to copy our color or we can
You can
color
do,
it.
yes, of your choice. You can do colors of your choice.
Ma'am, we can write with a blue pen also.
Beta, I would prefer black pen, but if you don't have black pen, then you can write with blue pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yash Raj, beta, you were present yesterday. Yash Raj Mahajan, you were present yesterday. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. And what about Wednesday? You were present on Wednesday?
no, ma'am.
No. Okay. Yajat Gangwar. Yajat Gangwar is not connected to audio. And Vikas Rathor. Beta, rename yourself. Who is Kavya Rathor? I think it's Vikas Rathor only. Vikas, you were present yesterday. If you're not giving any answer, that means you're not present today also.
No ma'am, he was present yesterday in math class. Only math class.
Okay.
Ma'am, how we will write Jammu and Kashmir in too small?
Beta, you can write J and K. That is Jammu and Kashmir.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैं ये कह रहा था कि मेरे पास मेरे भैया का एक पुराना पॉलिटिकल मैप है तो मैम मैं उसमें ये वर्क कर सकता हूँ.
Beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, there is my brothers. My brothers have one political map, so I can work on it. That work.
Your brother has a political map.
But ma'am, on the color. Ma'am, so I color on it on that. Yeah, or book political map.
Any map, beta, any map. If you have a separate map, do it on a separate map.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, on the color, on the pen is not working.
Have you done crayon colors?
No, ma'am.
You have colored also. The whole map you have colored. So soon.
Ma'am, I'm trying to do.
Okay, then first write and after that you can color it.
But ma'am, I forgot to do. So ma'am, first we will write it.
Yes, beta, first you can write it and then you color. If the color is not working, if the pen is not working on your colors.
Ma'am, what is this?
Ladakh. This is Ladakh and this is Jammu and this is Afghanistan.
Okay, ma'am. Please tell the spelling of Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Excuse me, ma'am, please show me more.
Beta, listen. Everybody just listen. In your book, there is a chapter States of India. Just open that chapter, everyone. And
Ma'am,
from
learned that.
open the chapter States of India. There you will see this map and all the states have been marked over there. If you don't understand my handwriting, do it from there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I also learned these.
What is the page number, Pratyaksh?
Ma'am, the page number is 57.
Yes, everybody just open 57 page.
57
Ma'am,
and
the
56.
ma'am, my gel pen is working a bit.
Very good, very good.
See, ma'am, this is math.
I can't
And then
see it. If you have found the map, beta, please start doing the work.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of Myanmar?
Spellings of what?
Ma'am, Myanmar.
Myanmar. Myanmar. Myanmar.
Ma'am, the image is coming blurred, so can I see from the WhatsApp?
You can see from WhatsApp also. You can see a even more clearer image in your book also on page number 57. Do it from page number 57.
Ma'am, I tried everything, but nothing is writing on it.
What, Shish? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I tried everything, but nothing is working. I'm not able to write on it.
What kind of colors are you using? Are you not using pencil colors?
Ma'am, I'm using pencil color.
Then why any pen is not working, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Pens are not working on the
I
color.
have also
Ma'am.
in my map also, I have done coloring first and then I have written over it. That is,
Ma'am, can
it has
I
come
show
so
you mine?
neatly. Yes?
Ma'am, please see.
See who is showing me what.
Ma'am, I Pratyaksh.
Yes, beta, you have written.
Yes, ma'am, I have written first.
Okay, fine. Now, Shirsh, beta, just try writing from a pencil, a dark pencil. Maybe your pencil will work on it. He is not there.
Ma'am, but I first write a pen and then color. But my Gujarat is all my Gujarat. But the Gujarat is now is written.
Harsh, what are you saying, beta?
मैम मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैम पहले पेन से गुजरात लिख कर फिर कलर किया लेकिन मैम तब भी गुजरात लिखा है.
Ma'am, nothing is working.
Ma'am, in my
Pencil also
map,
beta,
QC map,
pencil.
Okay,
excuse,
ma'am, I'm trying.
Try
And
writing from a pencil. A pencil will work. A dark pencil, no, it is going to work.
ma'am, I'm using pencil and
मैम
sketch.
इन माय
Ma'am,
yes,
please
ma'am,
see our
pencil is working.
Yes. Write it with a dark pencil.
ma'am, please see.
Ma'am, but the page is got blacked with the gel.
Ma'am, please see my drawing. How I.
Very nice. Very good, beta.
Ma'am, I'm using both the colors. It is working.
All right.
So, ma'am, what is the spelling of Ladakh?
Ladhak. Ladakh.
please see mine.
Ladakh.
Very nice. Very good.
But ma'am only Ladakh is white.
And ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
please
to
see mine.
just press it to write.
Ma'am,
Very good, Samya. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all pratyaks.
You have done coloring also and you have written also.
No, ma'am, I have just written all.
Okay.